Back on, the spacing is critical. If you pack the coil too close together, it will never work, for the magnetic field will repel and suffocate the whole device, and only if you have an adequate spacing. To one extent, the spacing became so critical that it can even accommodate something entirely different. In this type of brushless motor, they introduced so many coils with adequate spacing in between them. The purpose for doing this is to introduce the little guys here. This is a paper models that they would try, the family of atoms and the family of energies try to introduce this within the circular field. This is a pyramid that is a paper model that is made out of a plain sheet of papers, but now it's being turned into 3Ds. Very powerful. So we will look at it in our dimensions, and the pyramid is placed here. So it's a nice 3D model of a innocent piece of papers. So they introduce here is the spacing they try to introduce. Well, I only have 3, but you have a rough idea of what they are doing. See, now the pyramid is within the circular force field. Now more interest is getting more information that this is a cube. This cube is a paper toy. This cube, interestingly, is made out of this pyramid. So the transformation of energy go on and is endless. Dark sun. Since this guy is already a working device already, these things also work right out of the box, and now with a little twist, this little pyramid can turn into some of the answer that may be what we are searching for. Just a little twist. This is going to be powerful, and it's going to spin like it's never been before. This is the dark sun. This pyramid now has been shaped into a working status. Is already to carry out work. Now this is scary. This thing is so scary. This is what they call the dark sun. It's a spinning spiral, and well, this is going to work right in the plain sight, and well, let's hope that it does not move the mast outside of this ring. It should not work so simply, but anyhow, it's the dark sun. It has its power approached to infinity, so we don't know what it actually will bring up. So one last thing, this is the standard speaker magnets. We produce sound waves with it, so it's there. This is one of my double helix coils. Well, I still don't know what this is, but since it's already a double helix in its making, I twist it into a first pair of helix. It's very well. I still don't know what it does, but it is good at transforming energy from the primary to the secondary secondary wire with very good efficiency. So I use this, even though it's a helix coil, I use it to represent magnetisms. It should go here. See? When magnetism mix with the sound waves, once again you expect a lot of reaction and interactions in this case. So this is the breathings of gravity. I related to dark suns, so I catch you later.